Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy the show. On tonight's menu, pizza, grilled cheese. The morning mise en place. Just after prep. The evening mise en place in order of appearance. The build station, and the first layer. The second layer, and the final layer, the mozzarella. On the first side of the flat top, flip to the second side of the flat top. Here's the wonderful sandwiches all alone. Now I've added some French fries. Thank you for coming to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the show. Have fun cooking.